it comes to cricket and Pepsi, the excitement levels in Mindshare are unparalleled. And what made this campaign even more special was the fact that West Indies was touring India. It was just before Diwali, so this was a big festive campaign, and the most desirable, the hottest cricket star was a part of RTVC. So with this combination, we knew we were going to get it right. We had every touch point activated before the start of his innings. But within 5 minutes, when he walked back, scoring all of 2 runs, our campaign fell flat. And what was very apparent was that the fan had completely blamed Pepsi for Team India's performance. The amount of negativity that we picked up on social media disturbed all of us. We knew we had to get it right in the next game. And with our Mindshare values of speed, provocation and teamwork, and the loop room on the other hand, we decided to go on the front foot, stay adaptive and win that battle.
On the day of the match, we brought everyone to the loop room. The brand head, the marketing head, the copywriter, the creative guys, the analyst, the insights guy. We made sure that everybody who had to take a decision in this campaign were there in the room. So we devised a fishbone strategy to tackle this campaign. The tweets were locked. We had figured out all the possibilities and we were ready for all options to come. We were basically stacked up for any adversities. You know, the inside data showed that our digital tribe is most active 2 hours prior to the match. That means, you know, a lot of speculation news. We exactly knew where to start. From Facebook, Twitter, Analytics, Google Analytics, all the screens were locked. We were mapping the digital journey of all the brand communication happening from the handle. Now it was time for live execution.
So during the India-West Indies series, Pepsi was the most talked about brand, even beat the sponsor Micromax. So when the second match started, we were still dealing with negative sentiments. Only this time we were a lot more prepared. We delivered adaptive marketing with true speed, provocation and teamwork. Guess what? This time, to our surprise, Virat even delivered. That was the icing on the cake on the campaign. This time, obviously, public sentiment totally turned on our side. And you know what they say? It's true, right? When teams get together, when everyone gets together, the creative agency, media agency, social agency, client, everyone sits and jams together in a room and all the energies are focused towards solving one problem. There's really nothing that you can't achieve and you can't turn around. And the loop experiment with PepsiCo totally proved that.